Okay guys, we want to do some wire today. I'm just going to knock it out. I'm just not going to talk a whole lot today. Probably put you on time lapse, and I'm just going to knock out all this wire I got over here. Maybe tear into some starters or something. Not sure yet. That's where we're going. good video coming out tomorrow. Out of tomorrow. It may not be posted tomorrow, but we'll have a full day of scrapping tomorrow. I'll show you guys some of the stuff we're going to work on. We got a couple really big semi-starters. There's a Duramax starter I'm going to tear apart. Fuse panel. Probably cut some ACR ends off. Tear into this light. It's got a couple big transformers in it. I'll show you guys how I split them. Project Shop Florida, he does them a little different. These are plastic coated in these lights here, so they're a little bit different. And I may even fire up the copper puller here and show you guys how this one works. We got some motors and transformers to do there, so getting there. Got a pretty good bucket of number 1 there and a little bit of number 2 there, not a whole lot. There's some more wire I gotta chop up. I still got quite a bit of aluminum wire here I gotta run through. I just got tired tonight. But we're getting there. We've got a tote of aluminum wire there and bright and shiny there. So I did end up getting a new pair of choppers because Johnny, the guy in my previous video, he was out using them the other day. He was parking out of trucks. He ended up running over them with the forklift. So he bought me a new pair and he got himself a pair. So that's good. But until next time.